Before you came round, my heart would know.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So in today's makeup tutorial, as you can see, this is a makeup tutorial. I decided to do a spring/summer makeup tutorial because it is that time of the season where we all want to glow and we all want to look different, but we all want to slay. But anyways, so this look was inspired by this dress right here. I'm gonna show you guys like a full picture of it. Oh no, by the way, I'm doing a lookbook, so yeah, you'll probably see it in the lookbook, which is coming up maybe next week. I don't know, I'm not sure, but yeah. So I was actually supposed to, look at me, I'm blabbing. I was actually supposed to film a birthday makeup tutorial because it was my birthday last Sunday, but I decided, you know what, let me film this one first and then I'll do that later. But yeah, so if you guys want to see how I got this look, this glowmation look, then please do keep on watching. Hey everyone, so I've already done my brows, as you can see. So now I am going to be priming my eyes, and I'm going to use my concealer. Oh, I'm going to use my LA Girl HD Pro Conceal in the shade Warm Honey. Yeah, it's in the shade Warm Honey. Then I'm gonna blend that out. Then next, to set my eye concealer, I am gonna use my powder from my contouring palette. Where's my brush? Oh, I'm going to use this brush. So I'm going to use this color right here just to set the eyes, because you don't want your eyeshadow to crease.
Loud enough to quiet the thunder. In love with no doubt, and now I'm never gonna.
And then next, I am going to be using this palette, which is the star of the show. I don't know if you guys can see the shades. It's absolutely amazing. And I'm going to be using these shades right here. Let me open it up for you guys so that you can see properly. I'm going to be using all of these shades right here. So first, I'm going to start off with, this light brown here for my transition shade. And you don't want to go in too much with the brush, just tap tap, and then you want to go in circular motions in towards your crease. Next, I'm gonna go in with this dark brown here with the same blending brush, and I'm also gonna do the same thing, tap tap, and then you want to tap off the excess, and then the same again with circular motions, and then you're gonna blend it out.
Talk with our head in the clouds, and we will walk with our feet on the ground, and we will talk with our head in the clouds, and we will. Before you came round, I was ready.
And then next, I'm gonna be using my pencil brush, and I'm gonna go in with this bright shade right here, and I'm gonna use that towards the outer part of the crease.
gonna slow down. Never gonna slow
And next I just first want to do one eye and then I'm gonna do the other eye off camera. So next I'm gonna do a cut crease. Let's hope this works out. Then next, well you guys, I'm actually supposed to be studying, but here I am doing a makeup tutorial. But anywho, I'm going to be using my flat brush now and I'm going to be using this bright yellow shade right here. I hope this comes out perfectly. Tap off the excess. Remember that. And then next I'm going in with that blending brush now to fix up the red.
Talk with our head in clouds.
Let's use a pencil brush rather.
I was ready to slow down before you came round.
And next I'm going in with the light brown from the shade, just to make sure that everything is sitting together. And next I want to use my, let me use my NYX palette. And that's it. So now let me go and clean up the eye and then apply mascara and then fix this eye, and then I'll be right back to show you guys the final look of the eyes. And so now I'm going to color correct. I don't know if you guys can see me properly, but I hope you can. I'm going to color correct and I'm using my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade 1850, and I know it's a bit dark for me, but we'll work with it. That's that. And then next I'm gonna use my MAC Studio Fix Fluid foundation in the shade NC 44.5. I usually mix my MAC with my Maybelline, but today I don't feel like doing that, so I'll just shit. So
I was heading for a small disaster before you came round. I was ready to blow me down.
So you guys, now I am going to dust out because my camera went off, so now I'm using a different camera. So now I'm going to dust off the setting powder.
I felt like I could drain the ocean.
Then I am going to contour using my contouring palette. And I'm gonna use this shade right here.
Loud enough to quiet the thunder. The love with no doubt. And now I'm never gonna slow down. Never gonna slow down.
And then next I am going to apply my mascara, my Wet n Wild mascara. And then to make sure that everything blends together, I am going to finish off my under eye makeup, and then I'm going to apply highlighter, and then I'll come back and I'll apply concealer, lipstick. So next I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild highlighter to highlight you know where. And then next I'm going to be using my signature lip pencil in chocolate and my Essence lip pencil in satin waver. I'm gonna mix those two up together, and then I'm gonna apply my MAC lipstick in the shade Whoa.
Walk with our feet on the ground, and we will talk with our head in the clouds, and we will walk with our feet on our sound. I felt like I could take.
And then next I'm going to apply my Maybelline Superstay makeup setting spray.
I'm solely to sell.
So yeah, that is it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, I will see you guys soon. Bye.